The next part in our group creation was conducting an internal analysis for Petco. But what is an internal analysis? An internal analysis is a company's internal goals and how they use their strengths to achieve these goals. We were able to develop an internal analysis for the firm by looking at its core competencies, resources, and capabilities. We will be getting into those a little bit later, but we're going to start off this segment of the internal analysis by talking about Petco's strengths as a firm. Petco as a firm strives for pet health and wellness as it outlines a strategic approach to drive for sustained and profitable growth with industry-leading ecosystem. Petco strives for good customer satisfaction as they want to help the needs of pets and pets owners. Petco makes sure that the nutritional aspect of their products are put first, as this will help animals live a healthier and longer life. All of those strengths that Petco has as a company has provided them with sustainable profit growth. We will now be getting into Petco's values as a firm, as this relates to their strengths in the internal analysis. The company's purpose is to improve the lives of pets, pet parents, and Petco partners. Putting the needs of pets and pet parents at the center of everything they do is the type of company that Petco is. Operating with sustainable business practices and working through challenges together with empathy and respect, Petco creates a workplace that is welcoming, respectful, and safe for customers and pets. Petco, like any other firm, has weaknesses. When doing research on our company, Petco, we also learn more about different competitors like PetSmart, Chewy, and Amazon that sell similar products like toys, pet food, and other pet products like Petco. It's the competition among different brands that can stop Petco from reaching the top in the pet industry. When discussing the weaknesses in Petco in our SWOT analysis, we found some like being dependent on the US market, price competitiveness, high overhead costs, and reputation in the company. Economic downturns or a shift in consumer spending habits within the US could impact Petco's revenue. If a company like Petco struggles to maintain price competitiveness, there is a possibility that they can lose market share. Having high overhead costs can affect the profitability of a company if sales performance does not meet the expectations that the company wants. Having a bad reputation can affect any company. That is why Petco strives to have good customer satisfaction so they can have that long-term loyalty from customers. We will now be talking about the resources of the firm of Petco. Like expressed before, Petco really puts their focus on pet healthcare and wellness. Not only has Petco built out these pet hospitals, but also are more conscious with their product offerings. They also have training, grooming, and other services that they offer. Petco's lack of an international presence is a major weakness because they are missing out on growth opportunities within the pet retail industry. But if Petco expands internationally, this allows them to expand into untapped markets. Petco built out a veterinary hospital sector in their business rather fast. At first, this was a response to COVID, but as time went on, they kept it as a major sector in their business strategy. We will now be moving on to Petco's capabilities and how they leverage these assets. Like said before, Petco really puts a big emphasis on the nutritional aspect of the products that they sell. They have adapted to consumer trends to tailor their products to the more nutritionally conscious consumer. This is a major part of their business now, and it will most likely be in the future. Petco has a loyal customer base, and they keep coming back for their products and services they provide. Like many know, Petco is very similar to other businesses like Pet Supplies Plus and PetSmart. Petco must focus on what sets them apart in order for them to gain competitive advantage. To wrap up the internal analysis for Petco, we will talk about their core competencies. Petco has the ability to provide a wide range of products and services while also being experts in pet healthcare and wellness. For Petco being such a top-rated pet retail store, they are a one-stop shop for all your pet's needs. Petco will continue to improve on their products and services with always keeping in mind of the customers and the pets. Conducting this internal analysis, we identified Petco's strengths and weaknesses that they have to address to maintain sustainable growth and competitiveness and the pet industry.